Hi, this is AeroIDX, an IDX platform for real estate websites. In this video, I will show you how the Marketplace app works to connect your CRM. Here I am on the integrations page. In this case, I'm going to connect Leader CRM. To get started, click on Continue with Leader CRM. In this page, you will need to confirm the installation. You will also review all the permissions requested by the app. Click on Next. Now, you need to select your subaccount. Great! Now you have your subaccount connected to AeroIDX. You can now create the custom fields that I already did in order to make some workflows work. Also, you can assign your user so we know which user belongs to you. Now, I will act as a website visitor. This is the map search on the agent side, and I will open a listing. Every listing has a request more information form. I will send a request. Now, since I already connected my app, this lead will go directly to my CRM. Here is the contact created seconds ago by AeroIDX. Now, this is the inquiry message and the listing that the visitor asked about. So the agent can follow up with context. And that's the complete flow. Install, connect, and capture a lead from the IDX site. Thank you for watching.